this thing on? Hello? Oh, hold on. Oh. Damn it, Rick. Okay. Let me pull up the YouTube's dashboard. Make sure it's all working, you know. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it does. And let's move that. See, can you see me? Hey everybody, can you see me? Yeah, move this a little bit out of the way. Up a bit. That'll do. That'll do, pig. Does that look fuzzy? Full screen preview display. Yeah, no, that's fine. Okay. Oh, that was nifty. Full screen preview on the same screen that it's capturing, and now I can see myself, but you'd have these mouse tails. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's nifty. Close. Okay. Anyhow, let me pull up the can you hear me all right? Am I live? Good evening, Mr. Alex C. How are you? Jeez, that was quick. I've been live for 1 minute and 20 seconds. You're like, oh, Frank's streaming. Let me hop on. That was, damn, kind of scared. Okay, mouse macro recorder. This is a crappy program I found. It always launches on that monitor for whatever reason. If I hit enter registration code, guess what? It's going to pop up on that monitor. Oh, it didn't. What do you know? All right, well, whatever. Enter your authorization code. Oh, okay, let's press it. I don't know. I need... Wait, thank you. Please close and run it again. Okay, well, we'll close it and run it again and see what it does. Okay, we got the same thing. So, what was I going to say? Words. Subbed with alerts. Aw, you rang the bell. Anyhow, well, let me do this. At everyone live. So I needed something to click a mouse. I have a program for it, but yeah. So I downloaded one, and it's garbage. Could barely get it to work. It was terrible. So then, WXDev. I'm going to die for a second. So then what I did was, I ditched that, and then I wrote a small program. And I ditched the mouse clicking altogether. Yeah, it's watches the window of Firefox playing the Rick and Morty marathon. Watches a specific pixel, just one. Could have done more, could have done a patch, but I wanted to try it with one, and it worked. So, you know, for this color of gray at the end of the show, waits for, well, there's a 5-second delay right here in this loop. And inside that loop, so it waits to see that color of frame 115 times with a 5 millisecond loop, delay. So once it's seen it 115 times, it will do Control-Shift-S, stop recording, sleep for a little while, let go of those buttons, and then sleep for 2.5 seconds, which is long enough for it to finish processing and save the file, and then Control-Shift-R to resume recording, wait for a second, let go of those buttons, and then continue. Finally got it to work, and just in case anybody's paranoid of piratey type things, remember VCRs and cable? You can record, you just can't share. So, I watched it on TV, I put a tape in the VCR, and I pressed record. Now, if you got a problem with that, then it's just a learning experience to see if it could be done. And I deleted everything right after. The world may never know. But, anyhow, here we go. Today, let's quickly take a look at this, and God, I hope it's not VB. I haven't looked at it yet at all. I just remember seeing a registration code button, and I was like, hey, we'll look at that. How about it? Need to do something. I've been gone for like 2.5 weeks, and people are starting to think I'm dead, and the Discord is getting kind of dead too. And once again, we are going to constrict ourselves to x32dbg for a little while and see if we can make it work. I need to change the title. This is not Challenge 1 Update. This is Let's Try to Take More Apart. I got. Stop it, you son of a. Challenge reference begins at around an hour and 5 minutes. What the How do you separate stuff? Oh, this on my desktop? Like that? That's called Fences. Fences. It's a program. You can download it. It's fun. Comes as a free trial for 30 days. Something like that. Yeah. We did some streams on it. Serbian and I played around with it for a little while. Got it to kind of work. But anyways, let's get down to business. Make this a little bigger. Click this. We still got it. Let's attach to it and see what it is. Mouse macro recorder. Okay, sure, attach. Alright, so we've got something here. We are in NTDLL. Let's go to review modules. There we go. Symbol information. Control A. This looks rather odd. This looks very odd. What in the hell? 1-1-o.dll. Why does this look so odd? Looks very odd, but that's okay. Let's see what we can find. Let's search for... No, let's find references. No, let's search for current module strings. Oh, here's a date and a time, a date and a time. You know how we have that time limit. Let's look for a file. Oh, maybe. No. Let's look for a file reference or Delphi. Oh my god. Delphi. Remember when that was a thing? Droxid has arrived. Party is over. Everybody out. True, false. Wonder what those are. Let's see. Here we got file not found. Maybe. Silver Nth, welcome aboard. Empty string 01. I was looking for like a file extension or something like that, but we did find a file not found. That one might be worth taking a look at because with the way that it actually, let's do it. Wait, what was that? Oh, by the way, this doesn't work at all. Like, it doesn't click. You know, Windows 10, it straight up doesn't work. Like, no matter what. What the f... Some weird ass shit. Alright, so what we're going to do is hit CPU. We're going to go into here. Oh, it's paused. Let's run it. Let's go back into here. Let's click that and that so I can see. And let's hit this and enter some garbage. We'll do that. We'll hit pause. Oh, we can't pause? What the fuck? Buy now. And it pauses finally. It launches a fucking website. Help. Oh god, help launches the same website. About pops this up on the wrong damn screen. File, exit, no. So it's only on launch that we're ever even mentioned about it? config. I don't see any limitation. Let's do buy now. Look at the website and see what it says. Complete receive registration. Complain registration code. There's key. Important. Be sure to give us a correct email. Blah blah blah. Let's see here. Auto clicker. Free download. Ooh, super mouse auto clicker. Free download by now. Random. What the fuck? Advanced by now. It takes you to a PayPal site. Oh my. Purchase. Products. Ghost. Wait, what? What is ghost mouse auto clicker? Anyways, purchase. Registration fee includes unlimited personal license for the registered program version. High level priority or free updates. Oh my. I wonder if anybody buys this shit. Like, the little programs you see out there that are like, I can make this in 10 minutes. Are people actually making money off of this? Makes you think. Hey man, got to watching your other videos and forgot you were going on. Hey, no problem. I mean, there's tons of videos on YouTube. You don't have to just watch mine. Okay, so this looks really weird. I'm gonna do that. File, recent files. Mouse macro recorder. And then let's symbols, mouse macro recorder, control A. And it sucks. Let's do search for current module, intermodular calls, read file. Oh, let's sort these by description. Let's see here. Reg query value can always be something interesting. BitBlit. Interesting. It's using GDI to draw itself. Is this written in Linux? I guess GDI would be the standard. Read file, read file. MNO open process. Is there a create dialog? Did I pass it? Create file, create events, create thread. Dragon Ball Z. Woo. Get proc address. It almost looks like it's gonna be like unpacking itself, but it's very weird. Let's find message box. Wait, user 32. Client screen, create window. Message beep. Wow, somebody uses message beep. I doubt it. Update window. Let's see here, time get time. That can always be a fun one. Get like file time or time as file. I don't see it. If you guys saw it and I missed it, then good for you. Okay, so we'll go back to CPU. We'll hit run and see what happens. Okay, we'll hit run again. Alright, so this is about to create a window. MZP. That's like the beginning of a exe header. Okay, F8. Jump if equal, it would go to here. Yeah, what the hell? Let's take that jump. There's lots of ways to get here. F9, it's going to create window main view, do it F9, 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 reg query value. And it's going to query the value of software/MMC mouse macro recorder. So we would do that and do reg edit. And we'll open it. Screen's going to go blank for a minute. Sorry about your luck. And then we will have our registry editor. We will do probably current users, software, MMC mouse macro recorder. We have a BB, and BB has this in it. Oh, what does that look like, everybody? What does it look like? What does it look like to you? It looks like, to me, a bad attempt at base 64. Decode. Oh, look at that. There's your date. The date you installed it. You know, the date that, or is, you know, it's the date that it was installed. You know, and it's going to be like the date. So if you wanted to have like a forever trial of it, then you just change that date. Stuff for like 120 years. We want to encode. Encode. There we go. And then we're going to just put that value right there. Okay, yay. We've got a big old trial for like 120 years. Woo! Let's find out if we're right. And then we're going to hit the button. Oops, I hit F7. That was a bad idea. We're going to put one there and hit run. And then remove it. Test EAX. Oh, it's 0. Okay, cool. Set the BL. BL is now 1. Now we will move an EAX. The D word is at here, which is an 01. And then we're going to call this sub right here. It says compare EAX with 1. Jump if not equal to here. And let's hit F7 and follow that on in there. Say compare EAX with 1. It is. But what happens if it's not? Let's change it to 2. And let's do that again. Let's see what happens if it's not. Like, now we're just having fun. We need to set new origin here. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Compare EAX with 2. Although we might need to rerun this. And see, you know, because I... Oh, what? What? Please use a... What the... How's the stream look? Because this thing is telling me that it is not good. What the... Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being sent often enough, which will cause buffering. The current keyframe frequency is 5. Bullshit! Settings. Stream. Output. Keyframe interval. Oh, it's set to auto. Let me do 4. Program is not technically running yet. There's no window yet. Apply. Okay. So, I mean, right now all I can see is what you see is on the screen. But, look at this. It says, stream health. Bad video settings. Which is bullshit. because I'm looking at it right now. Let me settings, stream output, streaming, be 4,000 for bitrate. Yeah, I keep getting raped in my upload. Yeah, that's just gonna be it. I need to get that Ryzen. Everything's good here. All right, well, they say it's good, so we're going with it. We're rolling with it. Yeah, it's lagging bad. Never mind. Let me refresh this page. Welcome back. That still says bad video settings. All right, I'm gonna stop stream and restart it. All right, well, I reset it, and it still says bad, which is bullshit. Because view docs, where's it at? Stats. Frames missed 0. Bitrate 4,000. Live. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. All right, well, most everybody says it's fine. Oh, the stream health went up. It's orange now. It says okay. It doesn't even make sense. Well, let me try dropping it one more time. I'm not going to restart it. Shouldn't need to. Output. All right, that's where it's gonna stay. 720/60. That's strange. Cause I'm weird. Cause I'm streaming in 1080p 50. Maybe it would be easy. You know what? I bet if I go up to 50, it would be fine. Or 60. It'd be fine. Video. Oh. I'd have to restart to do that, but yeah, whatever. What size is the monitor that you're running? That is... Good Lord. That's your TV? Are you watching me on your TV? Yeah, looks fine. That picture at least. VLC player. Yeah, good luck with that. Okay, so here we are. We are jumping now. We changed it from a 1 to a 2. We're going to collapse the entire economy by changing a number from 1 to 0. All right, run, red query value, and this value is going to be BB. Test EAX says 0, 0. Jump of equal, so it's going to come on down. Move EBX that, move EAX that. Call this compare. Okay, that's fine. I have a small. It's a TV. Yes, I knew it. Is that what the kids are saying these days? I have a small TV. Moved by EDXAL. EDI gets our time, which is that what we saved it to? Yep. Pop, 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 return. It's huge, actually. No. Well, yeah, I was going to say that TV looks like it's... let's see here. .47-inch? Compare the byte at ESP with 1. Jump if equal. It goes here. If it's not, jump if not equal, it goes here. And then some of this would skip all of this, it looks like. Anyways, we'll go here. It's going to call this test EAX. Okay, it does that and then it returns. Okay, yeah, it's a value. It's going to call this. Aha! Move EDX, EDI, move EDI, EAX, and these are the same. Move ECXF, XOR AL, clear it out. Okay. Do this. AL byte. Okay, let's follow and dump. Address EDI. Okay, there we go. And it's gonna now. I don't think this is going to give me what I want to know because this thing is so fucking... Yeah. Oh, so it's like a safe way to... Imperial point string, the ECX register has a value. It held following the last successful iteration of instructions of action. Cool. So we'll hit F8. Cool. What is this? Interesting. Follow and dump. Aha. I'm gonna see what that. There's a couple. I've been watching too much damn Rick and Morty. I tell you that. Sub EAX and ECX. ECX is F2. That's okay. What's this? C12. Okay. Move EDI EDX. Okay. Return. Bloop bloop bloop. Call this. What's that gonna do? No. Get out of there. What's that gonna do? Push push move. We'll see. Clear test. Jump if less than or equal. EDX. Let's see. Okay. Move EAX that. Test EAX. Equal. Compare that guy. What the hell does this do? Don't care. Jump out to here. One of these has got to get like the current time or something. More registry crap. That one's interesting. BB. Push the address of a sub. Okay. Push what's that? FSO. Move. Yeah, okay, we're moving our frame pointer. We did that. See, we did that right here. Okay, you did that already. Push EVP. Push that again. Readjust. What the fuck? Calls this. Let's just see what it does after. Follow and stack zeros. jumps over that. What's this TT? We've got BB and TT. Well, I'm glad that it's working better for you. Oh, look, 5, 3, 21, 28. We've got some time. Okay, so next, what's this? Follow and dump. A D. Let's follow that in the dump. OE. Alright, well, whatever. It's going to call that, which is going to do some junk. Close the keys. Alright. Call this test EAX. What is that? Jump if move DL1. ECX gets what's at EAX. Follow and dump. What's there is going to be this. So ECX gets that. And we follow that in the dump. We've got the E. We're going to call ECX minus 4, which is just incredible. Ah, this might be fun. So now, test DLDL, jump if greater. Okay, we're fine. Move EBX, EDX. Comes on over there. Test DL, jump if less than or equal. It comes out here. Otherwise, it goes through here. EDX, okay. Pop, pop. Return, return. XOR. Okay, now maybe things will get interesting. Test EDX. Okay, that's fine. Move D. Okay, 0. Decrement. Jump if less than. It's not. Lock. Following dump. Selected address. I keep seeing things flash. Oh, live stream health good now. Okay. Jump not equal. Load into EAX some random place. We've seen once before. Call this, which is gonna do this stuff. I noticed no lag. Good. What the hell is that? You're in bot command trying to talk to me. No, where? Oh, stream chat. There we are. Add EBX4. We got that. Did this already. Man, when is he gonna stop wasting our time? It's done all this like 40 times. Okay, return. Oh, look, we have a date, and we're gonna return that date. Okay, move EAX that date, move EDX BB. Now it's just going to store it. Maybe not. EDX BB, 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 BB. Do we need to go in here at all? I don't think so. I'm going to skip it. 6. Jump if not equal, it goes over there. 12. Not sure what the 12 is, but great. We're going over here. What does this one do? Nothing. Main view. Anything good here? MMR config.xml. Record keyboard. That looks like it's going to set things up. So done with that. Oh, what is this TT value? Because in our registry reg edit, we have no TT. See? No TT. We jump right on over it. What if we gave it a TT? Let's do that. New string value TT. Blah. See what that does. Hey, chat. Hey, the entertainment. Glad to have you here because everybody knows I'm not entertaining at all. So thank you. Appreciate it. Please do your job. clears that out. We didn't have a TT. No, maybe. Who knows? That's what I would call it. TT for total time or something like that. Let's see here. This one, more registry crap. I'm down here just going to hit run. Return, return. CC. You have 0 days to evaluate this trial. Let's go here. Just gonna jump over all of this shit. F comp, D-word pointer there. Following dump, address that. 000. That AX. Sahuf. The hell is Sahuf? Let's see what this. Oh god, I clicked the wrong button. Store AH into flags. Opcode 9E, instructions, okay, invalid. Loads SF, ZF, AF, PF, and CF from AH. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now, how do you load all flags in AH? Probably like LAHF. Who knows? Well, we'll find out. 23. Oh god, we're here again. Wait, what? What is that? Let's just copy that selection real quick. I'm just gonna hold on to that for a minute or two. Okay, F8. Return. Okay. Byte at ESP with 1, and that is 1. It is equals. We're gonna jump, move EAX, that crap that we've been dealing with the whole time. F8, F8. F8, jump. Alright, return. About damn time. Still nothing too fancy. F8. F8. Maybe worth looking at, but I don't want to. Return. Return. Okay, now we're back to our original call stack here. Wait. I love wait. Soft. 10. Call. Oh, you have 10 days. Where did it get that 10? Was that calculated? I feel like it wasn't, but let's see here. Follow and dump. Nope, definitely not. That's hard-coded. Although there was 23 and 12. 99 was binary. Edit. Not that this will do anything, but you know. Because this would have gone over that to here. And instead we're going to go to here, to there. We want to take this one. I think. I mean, we'll find out, because otherwise we would do this trial shit and I don't care about it. Whoa, I hit F9, I think. We're running and it says 99 days. Great, I don't care about that. Register hint. Oh, damn it, come back. Come back! Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so we want to actually get rid of this whole window and just skip it. right? So, not sure how we got here, because I thought I hit F8, but that was right here. I did hit F8. I knew I hit F8. So, we really wanted to take this jump, because then this call would have not been that call. It would have been this call, which is that same call. So, in reality, we needed to get here so that we got this call, which is moderately different than this call and this call. But that's a sub, and then we would have eventually hit this call. Let's see what happens if we take this one here, which means we need to not take this one here, or this one. Wait, where's this one go? Yeah, so we want to end up here. The most direct route is to not end up here. In reality, just don't go past here, which that one does. And to get over that one, we have to take this one. Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't even matter. So we just need to not take this one. And then, well, let's see here. Yeah, so don't take this one. Don't take this one, so we can take this one. Okay, so what we're going to do is hit continue. Sure, whatever, I don't care. Because now it's going to start the real program, which is going to be, so that was this call here for that registration hint. So now we're going to be jumping down to here, and you'll see now it's going to start the actual damn program, which we see that we could do from here if we just don't take this jump or this jump. So simply put, binary edit, actually simply put, not equal, I'm not sure what that one is, but this one, test EAX, is a call here. So whatever comes out of this, which test EAX, great. Okay, so whatever comes out of here, okay, there we go. Aha! We found something interesting. Copy selection, Control V. I'll just grab that, and I'm going to put that in that TT value for now. We're just going to put that right there and see what that does. And I'm just going to run another copy of the program, I think, because basically whatever comes out of here needs to be 1. And that would be jump if equals there. XOR. How do we get here? We don't. We'll put a breakpoint here and see what we find. But for now, I'm going to mouse macro recorder, run another one. We see registration hit still pops up, so the registry key didn't do anything for us. So now we are going to hit rewind. And then from here, we're going to hit run. And hopefully it breaks where we want it to break. So we're going to wait for it to stop spinning and hit run again. And this is our create window that we forgot to remove the breakpoint for. And this is our push EVP. So right after this, so we've XOR'd EAX, moved DL, done some stuff. We're not sure what this is doing, but I don't really care. Calls that, tests AL, jump if equal. It's not, so it does this. Call that, XOR EAX. Call this, and then return. So this needs to return something for us. Test EDX. Decrement ECX. EDX minus 8. Okay. Wait a minute. This is going to pop EAX. Is this Good lord, this is contrived. F7, push EBX, test, so EBX, okay, test EAX, jump if equal, it does that, call, now we have zeros, test, move EBX, EAX, test EBX, jump if equal, move L2, so here, move EAX, EBX, so it is not equal, it's going to go back and we're going to get 0. So let's try to just skip this one because it's going to move AL2 for us. Call that, and first chance exception. E'd fade. Okay, cool, whatever, I don't care. Let's go back. That was this call, and then let's hit, oh, breakpoint. Come on, give me a breakpoint. There we go. It's going to be here. Hit F9. There we go. We're back. And this is going to move EAX, EBX, which is still at 0. Which it wouldn't have been. But up here, this call. Yeah, this call. Compare by, okay, move divided by that EAX. Compare a byte over here, jump if not equal to here. Test it. I feel like we can skip all of this. Oh boy. Yeah, so return. Pop, 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 move EAX1, return. Oh boy. We're in NTDLL. Oh look, and it came up with just this. So let's rewind one more time. Actually, I'm going to hit stop, and I'm going to run just this. Okay, it did still give me the registration hint thing. So, rewind. I've forgotten what I've done. I think I told it to take a jump or something, but let's see if it pauses where it's supposed to pause now. And this was in that place. And we F8'd down on through all this. And then here... this call, I jumped over at that time. You see that EAX has something in it, but then here, return, move EAX, what's in EBP minus 18, which has been held over for a while, which is that. Call this F8, sub EAX4. Test EAX, it's not 0, so it's supposed to be 4. I do want to try something here real quick. Decode. What the? I'm not sure why it's encoding that, but sure, why not? So this one, jump if less than or equal, is now not going to be taken because, and we know that we don't want to take it. So, oh god, let's just get rid of that. F2, not F1, F2. Oh good lord. There we go. F9, there we go. So now F8, 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 software, yeah, okay, decoded it, cool, whatever. Oh, good lord, is that an exception? Yes, so we're gonna go here, run, call that CC, it's looking for a CC. Then it's gonna call that, but let's put in a CC first. Maybe it's looking for, oh god, not a new key. Delete. New string value CC. Just try that. Okay, F8. Jump if not equal. We know that we don't want to take this jump. We also don't know exactly what that was doing, but let's not take this jump. Because now it should go right into running the program. And that's going to do that. And it did. So the program's running. Of course, it starts over there. So we have a 1-byte patch because it looks like the only thing that there actually is a nag screen. It's running. All good. So let's go back. I do want to try rewind. Run, root off. And this one's not being taken. Oh gosh. When will I learn? That's fine. I can just hit run. Yeah, so who cares if it is taken, because we're going to go binary edit 0, 0. Okay, so now no matter what, it'll go here. This one, binary edit 0, 0. And it will, no matter what, go right there. Let's binary, no, patches. Patch file, mouse macro recorder, control CV, continue, yes, yes. And this is of course going to fail because it's in my program files folder. Yep. Let's export the patch. You son of a bitch. Yeah, sure, whatever, I don't care. Just save it somewhere, okay? Thank you. And then let's go file, restart as admin because I'm an idiot and forgot to do that first time. Run. Let's do patches, import. Documents? No, that's not it. This PC, C drive. Patch file. Save. Yeah. Oh, you son of a bitch. Save. Yes. Thank you. Let's hit run. And we see that it just starts right away. Now, since you can't actually see that just start, and you have to kind of take my word for it, even though, whatever. What I'll do is close all this, and I want to see what happens if this just doesn't exist at all. I'm going to just delete that. Okay, that's gone. Let's make sure it's not like reading from local or anywhere else. Local machine, software. Don't see it there. Users, no. Current user. Okay, yep, it's all gone. It's all gone. Exit. And then let's go over to OBS. And let's see, I know I have that. Let's move this over here. There we go. So now you can see that. And when I launch it, so more open file location. Open file location. Okay, so we've got this here. Got the original, which gives us this registration hint, continue, 10 days, blah, 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 blah. And then it launches it. And this one, which just launches it. What do you know? What do you know? Hey, and look, the buy now buttons are all gone. They're all gone. The buy now. So on this one, we get a registration hint, and we get the buy now button. And on this one, we get, it just loads. Yay, that was easy. Now, what if we wanted to make like an actual key for it? Let's see how that would look. Turn this one off, move this back over, turn this one on, grab that, pull up this, say hello world. That's the end of the first half. We're at 1 hour almost exactly. Any thoughts, questions before we go on to the next half? Okay, yeah, like zero lag there. So, any questions? There we go. You ever wonder what a Boston's... No, never wondered. But, George Benson, I'm sure you could tell me all about it. Sure you could. Yeah. Did she give you the nuggets? Any other questions? Hell, I even like troll questions. Who doesn't? Who doesn't like troll questions? Nice work, bro. Yes, two patch. She, yeah, I bet she did. Oh man, my piss burns, but that's just because I have a narrow urethra. All right, well, I'm gonna take a quick break. Cigarette, another drink of the fizzy bubbler. Then we'll see if we can make a proper key generation machine for this. And away we go. Do it. You make me a key system, and I'll crack it. Dude, Sassafras's for the Meadow was really fun. I had to do it one character at a time. Until I got to the very end. Oh, I'm sure I can. With enough time and persistence. Just, dear God, are you going to do it in C sharp? Thank goodness. Even better. VB. Good Lord. Yeah, so VB.net, C sharp, same thing. Bytecode. Do it. Those ones, yeah. 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 What are you going to use to obfuscate it? Because that's the hard part. Okay. Base 64. Nah, I use like base 58 or base 23 and then 58 and then roll it 3 times. Right. Okay, gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna end this stream. I'll be back in 10 or so minutes. I'm gonna rename this stream and then we'll pick it up with a new stream for about the same amount of time. Would you say some companies are not worth to mess with? Yeah, most of them. Well, it depends on, are you taking low road or high road here? Because are you talking like they're not worth to mess with because legal, or they're not worth to mess with because small potatoes? Oh, so you mean like legal? Well, you're not really messing with the company. You are wanting to learn how protection works. And if you learn it, then you know it. And if you know it, you could bypass it. It's what you do with that that causes the ethical question. But if you mean like small potatoes or like annoying, it all comes down to how persistent you want to be and how crazy you want to go. Some of those like Word or CC, like Photoshop, you might go crazy before you get to the end of the tunnel, or you will hack together something that works, but it's iffy, or it's like could fall apart or touchy. Like it depends on how much time you want to put into it. But that's time. And yeah, if you have the persistence and dedication and drive to do it, then do it. If you don't, then don't. But always learn something. We'll be back with a new stream in about 10 or 15 minutes. Smoke 'em while you got 'em.